Beside the winding boardwalks of Jiuquhe Wetland, an urban oasis of graceful reeds and whispering waters, there now stands a quiet monument to civic ambition, caught stranded mid-construction, a case file under indefinite review. Puffering discreetly opposite the Ecology and Environment Bureau, the Lingjiang Civic Centre promised a 1.4 billion yuan mural mainframe, fusing ecology, administration, and civil affairs into a one-stop high-tech sanctuary. Commissioned by Chongqing Group as an engineering, procurement, and construction EPC showcase of digital governance, the Liangjiang Civic Centre was planned as 7 interlinked structures: libraries, theatres, and archives. The buildings were meant to spiral around a central courtyard like unfurling camellia petals, linked by terraces, corridors, and skyways, luring the public into cybernetic utopia. Rooftop solar panels and micro-wind turbines promised a gentle hum of clean energy. Terraces were to cascade like miniature mountains, with glass facades set to catch the shifting light in a grand symphony of technocratic ambition. At the algorithmic heart was to pulse Xiaoyuer, a tireless digital overseer, choreographing steel, glass, and concrete into a grand performance of big data governance, where every crossbeam, facade panel, and stage light would be mirrored into a living digital twin. But today, the system lingers on a frozen screen. Glass facades mirror drifting clouds and unfinished lookalikes. Yet behind the reflections, the code never fully deployed, a digital custodian trapped inside a half-rendered simulation, like a storage yard of surplus cutting-edge EVs. Voice assistants linger on permanent standby for buyers generated by market forecasts. Whether digital civilization ultimately reigns supreme, or the humble pen proves mightier than the keystroke, only the next system update will tell.